I hope all are safe and doing great. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Hope you all are thinking about that. I'm not in the go down. I'm not doing the videos. Yes, I want to just share with you the go down is under. It has shifted and the work is going on. We'll also share with you the blasting the many more varieties with the Kesaria is also exploring the business to support, to guide you to resellers, dealers, wholesalers. I'm at the shop actually. So at my background, you can see the trolley of the bunches of collections over here. Only the innerwears in the daily nighties, the customer has been purchased over here. And here one of the customers' discussion is going on. And here one of the trolleys only with the printed saris where you can see here all these collections. When the customers are purchasing at the boutique, how the boutique counter is very clumsy with loads of collections. I can say, yes, it's loads of collections, and these are the bunches where every product you will find out the color charts. Yes, you can buy either chiffon, either synthetic or many more collections, and we do have I just want to remind you, July is going to complete. Why? When we complete the 6 months of the entire year, automatically the festival season starts, right, my friends? So if I talk about the July and August with the Raksha Bandhan from the brother sisters love, and even the Ganesh Chaturthi festivals, the entire till November December we have a regular festival. So this is why the visit purchase you have to do must, and here the sales executives and the counter executives are supporting the customers, and keep customers are coming, they're purchasing based on the segments, the Poonam sari or the printed sari. And I have kept the saris over here today. I want to take you directly to the silk counter, the collections. So customer has come and buying the varieties. Here you can see a lot of royal Banarasi collections. So from this collections only I'm going to show you. So just subscribe the channel quickly. I'll show you around 700 range of to 2600 range of varieties. So we do have a Banarasi, we do have a Kanjivaram, we do have a soft silk. All these royal Swarovski stonework pattern you can purchase. So here, this is the way the customer service, how the sari, the sales executive, the counter executive is guiding them. The weaving work is explained, how the sari work is done. So let's see some samples. So keep watching this video, subscribe, and quickly you can add into your business. So friends, as I told you, the customers were purchasing here. So for this festival season, I brought for you the royal rich fancy of heavy Banarasi to Kanjivaram pattern stylish varieties, exclusive collections, around 700 rupees to around 2600 rupees of varieties of collections. I just want to show you the samples. Before going to samples, you can see the boxes over here, the beautiful lovely boxes. Also you can also add into your business to make your customers happy for this festival, upcoming festivals. So these kind of boxes for individual saris with the color charts. You can see the catalog over here, the Kesaria Manufacturers of Benefits over here. Such a beautiful catalog base of saris. Every sari, every segment you have a catalog and non-catalog base of saris. So here is the Kesaria logo. Every sari you have a code and this color charts for, and this is the index page. These kind of collections you can purchase with the catalog and non-catalog. So these kind of boxes also you can give the advanced booking collections also. You can also add into your customers to make your customers happy. You can also make these varieties of collections and add into your business. The first pattern, very lovely collections of Banarasi, dark purple based, very lovely collections, which is, this is Shurma collections is the code. So Shurma, so beautiful with dark purple with the leaf butta weaving work, with the dark bottle green, with the yellow, greenish yellow, and the stonework, Swarovski stonework has been placed over here. Lovely collections you can purchase, and in this you have a royal pallu with the green. This is a running blouse. Lovely pattern of these collections you can purchase. So these kind of collections we have a beautiful royal pallu of exclusive Banarasi, which is a one more pattern of the glossy silk heavy Banarasi cookies color with the dark coffee brownish with butta. So copper butta weaving work with the copper butta Swarovski stone work with fancy tassels with the dark maroon shade with copper heavy. So lovely collections with the maroon combination with the brownish or cookies color. So this kind of also collections you can add into your business. All kind of these collections are lovely, which is around 2,500 to 2,600 rupees of varieties you're watching here. One more color, which is a beige color with a mehendi green color combination. So lovely butta, silver butta with the mehendi greenish color shade. Lovely print with the rangoli pattern. Royal look of all these festival based collections you can purchase. This is also one more pattern. So one of the best. So this is also lovely collections with the fancy tassel with the beige with mehendi green. The next Kanjivaram base. This is a beautiful Rama green with Rani pinkish color. This is a dark three feather C. So Rama green with stonework, golden stone with the fancy tassels. Lovely beautiful combinations with the thread tassels over here. This kind of collections you can add into your business. This is one kind of weaving work saris. Next sari, the matte formal look of navy blue with the beautiful waves based WW chain W pattern of butta weaving work and the meenakari based purple with orange color. This is also one of the pattern. Beautiful Atrangi silk collections. This is a code. In this you have a brocade pattern weaving with the royal pallu. This is also one of the pattern. If we talk about the next color, which is a beautiful lovely Kanjivaram based of demanded south based all season festival based yellow with tomato red. This is also lovely weaving work with the traditional color combination with the golden butta work with yellow with tomato red weaving work combination. This is also the exclusive varieties. These all collections you can add into your business. So friends, today I've showed you 700 rupees to around 2,600 rupees of these collections. So here the customers are purchasing over here in the rapier silk segment. So heavy, once the July is getting completed, the festival season is getting started. You can also have a visit purchase at the Poonam sari, at the silk sari, boutique sari kind of collections, ready-made women apparels. You can plan and you can invest with Kesaria Manufactures will guide you, support you. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Let me in the comment box from which city you're watching the video, what kind of collections you are looking for. Please share the link with your around the circle who is really interested to start a clothing business. So keep supporting me. Next video we'll meet. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.